Twitonomy is a popular social media management and analytics tool, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few things you need to know. While it offers valuable features, there are some areas where it stands out and others where it may fall short compared to competitors. Let's dive into 12 important points. First off, Twitonomy excels in its Twitter analytics. It provides detailed insights into tweets, followers, mentions, and engagement. This can give you a deep understanding of how your Twitter account is performing. Compared to other tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, its focus on Twitter analytics is much more detailed and specific. Next thing, one of the best aspects of Twitonomy is its user-friendly interface. It's straightforward and doesn't have a steep learning curve. You can quickly access key data and manage your account without much hassle. This simplicity is a major plus, especially if you've struggled with the complexity of other platforms like Buffer or SocialBee. The third thing to keep in mind is Twitonomy's pricing. While it's more affordable than some big-name platforms, it's not the cheapest on the market. Tools like TweetDeck and even some basic features of Hootsuite may offer free alternatives that can serve your needs if you're just looking for basic management and analytics. The fourth thing to consider is its focus on Twitter alone. Twitonomy is primarily designed for Twitter, and while it offers some functionality for other platforms, it's not a fully fledged multi-network tool like Buffer or AgriPulse, which support multiple social media channels. If you're managing a variety of social media accounts, you might find the lack of support for platforms like Instagram and Facebook limiting. Next, Twitonomy's reports are quite detailed, but they can also be overwhelming if you're not looking for that level of granularity. If you're a beginner or someone who just needs basic engagement stats, you might find the abundance of data to be unnecessary. Other tools like Later or Buffer provide simpler, more digestible reports that may be more suitable for casual users. The sixth thing to consider is its scheduling features. Twitonomy offers tweet scheduling, but it's relatively basic compared to more robust tools. For example, Sprout Social and Hootsuite give you more flexibility, including bulk scheduling and advanced scheduling features like optimal post timing. If you're looking for comprehensive scheduling options, you might want to consider those alternatives. Another important point is the follower analysis feature. Twitonomy gives you a great overview of your followers, including who's unfollowed you, which is a unique feature not often found in competitors. This can be useful if you're trying to manage and grow your Twitter community. However, if you need deeper insights into follower demographics and behavior, platforms like Sprout Social provide more detailed analytics. The eighth thing is the lack of automation features. While Twitonomy excels in analytics, it doesn't offer much in terms of automation. If you're looking to automate replies, direct messages, or posts, you might be disappointed. Competitors like AgriPulse and Zoho Social offer better automation tools, which can save you a lot of time if you manage multiple accounts. The ninth thing is its customer support. While Twitonomy offers email support and a decent knowledge base, it doesn't compare to the 24/7 live chat or phone support options available from other tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. If responsive customer support is important to you, that might be something to consider. Next, let's talk about the mobile app. Twitonomy does have a mobile version, but it's somewhat limited compared to the desktop version. If you need full functionality on the go, you might find other tools like Buffer's mobile app more convenient and user-friendly. The 11th thing is that Twitonomy is more suitable for individuals or small teams. If you're a large organization with a complex social media strategy, you might find tools like Sprinkler or Social Bakers more suited to your needs with their extensive team collaboration features. And finally, the pricing structure. Twitonomy's plans are affordable for smaller users, but when you start scaling, you may find the pricing to be less competitive. Competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite provide a wider range of pricing tiers that could suit your needs more effectively as your team or business grows. In conclusion, Twitonomy is a solid social media analytics tool, especially if you focus on Twitter. It's great for individuals or small teams who need in-depth Twitter insights without a high price tag. However, if you're managing multiple platforms or need more automation and advanced features, you might want to explore other options. For a more well-rounded solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.